You've probably heard of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, right? The book that changed millions of lives and sold over 40 million copies. But here's the twist. What if I told you that parts of Kiyosaki's story might not be what they seem? In this video, we're breaking down the truth behind Rich Dad, Poor Dad, the lessons that actually work, and the secrets that most people completely miss. Let's start with the elephant in the room. Was Rich Dad even real? Kiyosaki has hinted that Rich Dad might be a composite character, a mix of mentors and experiences. Some critics jumped on that, calling the book fiction disguised as fact. But here's the thing. The truth isn't about who Rich Dad was. It's about what he taught. Kiyosaki's key message was simple but revolutionary. The rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. When you focus on assets instead of income, your life changes. So even if Rich Dad wasn't one man, the lesson is 100% real. So whether or not Rich Dad existed doesn't matter. What matters is that his mindset does. And it's the same one used by every self-made millionaire I've ever studied. Here's where most people miss the real point of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. It's not a get-rich-quick guide. It's a get-smart-slowly philosophy. Kiyosaki's world divides people into four groups: employees, self-employed, business owners, and investors. Most people stay trapped in the E&S side, trading time for money. But financial freedom lives on the B&I side, where systems and investments work for you. Think about it. Your boss pays you once for your time, but an investment can pay you forever. That's not a gimmick. That's leverage. And that's what wealthy people understand instinctively. Quick question. Which side of the quadrant are you on right now? Type E, S, B, or I in the comments. Now let's talk about the part that made Rich Dad, Poor Dad so controversial. Kiyosaki was criticized for giving financial advice without showing concrete numbers. No step-by-step plan, no formulas, just stories. But that's the hidden genius of it. The book wasn't supposed to teach you how to invest. It was meant to teach you why you must learn to invest. Most people never take action because they don't believe they can change their financial story.